Welcome to our in-depth review of the Bissell PowerClean FurFinder 200W cordless vacuum. We'll cover its pros and cons, specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Be sure to check the link in the description for more details. Let's get started. Introducing a smarter, more powerful way to clean, especially if pets rule your home. The Bissell PowerClean FurFinder 200W cordless vacuum stands out as one of the best cordless vacuums for anyone battling stubborn pet hair. On floors, furniture, stairs, and even car interiors. Engineered with a high-performance 200W motor, this vacuum doesn't just pick up visible debris, it uncovers the mess you didn't know was there, thanks to its innovative FurFinder headlights that illuminate hidden fur and fine dust in an instant. Designed for versatility, it seamlessly transforms from a sleek stick vacuum to a compact handheld or high-reach tool, giving you the flexibility to clean practically anywhere. With up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime in low mode and 13 minutes in turbo, you get enough power and time to tackle everyday messes without constantly rushing back to the charger. Plus, its clever self-standing design means you can pause mid-clean without leaning it against a wall or laying it on the floor. Perfect for busy households. Pet owners will especially appreciate the tangle-free brush roll, built to handle long hair and fur without constant cutting or unclogging. And when it comes to deep cleaning upholstery, stairs, or car seats, the included FurFinder tool removes up to 95% of embedded pet hair, 2 times faster than leading competitors. That alone makes it a standout choice for multi-pet homes. Allergy sufferers will also benefit from the HEPA sealed allergen system, ensuring dust, dander, and allergens stay trapped inside the vacuum instead of floating back into the air. With its 0.5-liter capacity, integrated crevice tool, 3 power levels, lightweight and portable build, and all-floor performance, the PowerClean FurFinder is built for everyday convenience and serious cleaning power. From tight corners to high shelves, from thick carpets to hard floors, it delivers consistent suction that leaves your home noticeably fresher. Overall, this cordless vacuum is ideal for pet owners, apartment dwellers, or anyone needing powerful, tangle-free grab-and-go cleaning. What we like. 1. Powerful, 200W suction with FurFinder headlights. 2. Excellent pet hair removal, up to 95% embedded hair. 3. Tangle-free brush roll for low maintenance. 4. Self-standing design with up to 40 minutes runtime. What we don't like. 1. Small 0.5-liter dustbin needs frequent emptying. 2. Turbo mode drains fast with only 13 minutes runtime.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.